Hi everyone, it's Robin and welcome back to our favorite day of the week, Thrift Store Thursdays. I'm excited to share with you what I found this week when I went to two different thrift stores. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So I didn't find a whole lot this week, so this is going to be a very quick little haul today. The first thing I found was a few crafting supplies. And I'm excited about because I've actually wanted to do a few projects and I just happened to find exactly what I needed at the thrift store, which I thought was actually pretty awesome. So the first thing I found was a very large embroidery hoop, which it's wood, and this was $1.49. So I had a 25% off coupon that day. This, I don't know how big this is, but it's the biggest one I have. And I have a little project in store for this. So it's not going to be used as an embroidery hoop. I'm going to use it for something else. So I'm excited about that. So I thought it was pretty awesome that I found it at the thrift store and didn't have to pay full price because these are pretty spendy at like the craft stores. So that was pretty cool to find that. And it just happened to be thinking about it right before I went to the store, so I was looking for them and I found one and I was so pleased. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so the next thing I found for craft supplies was yarn. I had an idea or something that I wanted to share on my DIY channel, so I was looking for some yarn and I found the perfect colors at the perfect price. And of course, I already got into it and I already started making stuff. So this coming Friday, on my DIY channel, I'll be sharing with you what I actually made with this yarn. But I picked up this little baggie full of yarn. It had two, what do you call it? Two packages of yarn in it, and I got it for $2.24. So I picked up a red one and then like this hot pink color as well. And both of them had two. I can't talk today. I don't know what my problem is. Both packages had two yarn bundles in them, so I thought that was a pretty good price. So I was excited to find that, and I was so excited to do a little crafting project with those because I don't know, I'm just really in a crafty mood lately, and that's all I want to do is just sit and do crafts. So check out the video on Friday so you can see what I made with them. I think it turned out so cute. So the next item I found, I was also thrilled about because it's something I've been looking for. It is a package of 5 satin covered hangers in the original packaging, which I think is awesome, and I found it for $2.24. Now I see satin covered hangers at the thrift store all the time, but they seem a little grungy and dingy, and I don't know, I just can't get myself to buy them. But since these are in their original package still, I was like, all right, I'm going to totally get these. Plus, they are in a white color, so I'm very excited about this. And that's not a very exciting find for most people, but for me it is because I have been looking, and I have some vintage clothing that I want to be able to display. I have like a nightgown and cover up, a nightgown and robe that I have hanging in my bedroom right now, but it's just on a regular old plain hanger, and which isn't very pretty. So I've been wanting something like this so it would look a little more beautiful. Do you know what I mean? So super excited about this, and I was happy for only $2.24, you guys. That is a great price. I just love thrifting. You never know what you're going to find. Such practical items at such good prices, you guys. It's just so amazing to me. But anyways, it just keeps my, what do you call it? It just keeps my love of thrifting alive. These practical pieces that you can find that, you know you're saving money when you're buying them at the thrift store. So, anyways. So those items are all great to find for, crafting and that sort of thing. But then, of course, I always look for things that I can decorate with. And I found 3 things that I'm absolutely in love with. The first one being is a little tiny basket. I got it for $1.99 at Goodwill, and it looks like this. Isn't it just adorable? I love its tiny little shape. It's just so cute, so perfect. And I love the tone of the brown on this basket. This is like my favorite basket color, I guess you would say, to pick up. So whenever it's actually kind of hard. Normally they're either darker or lighter. So when I find this tone, I always am very drawn to those baskets. I'm also drawn to anything tiny. So this little guy really spoke to me, and I think that I can use it in many, many different places around my house. I'm thinking I can hang it on some hooks, add some little flowers into it, maybe some little Easter eggs at Easter time. I don't know, maybe some little grasses around, springtime. But anyways, there's so many different things you can use with a little basket like this, and it's just going to be so adorable. So I'm loving this little guy so much. So this next piece that I found is my very first piece of fall scrap. I have been completely influenced by my friend Jamie over at Border Bananas. She collects fall scrap, and I have helped her, when I'm out and about looking for pieces that she needed for her collection. And now it's been growing on me. So now I feel like I need to start collecting it as well. And I saw this little dish right here, and I just thought it was so adorable. It was only $1.99, and I think it is so cute. Here is the markings on the back if you're interested. If I can get it, there we go. It's got some nice detailing around the edges, if you can see that. I think that's very nice and very classic, so I'm loving that very much. I have no idea what this is for. I mean, it's pretty tiny for a serving piece, but it almost seems to me like a gravy boat should be sitting on top of it, or something like that. But I did think that I could use it next to my sink. I could put my sponge on one side and my bottle of soap on the other side. I think that would look really, really cute, although I already have something over there that looks adorable. But it might be kind of fun to switch it up. But regardless, I thought it was a nice size. There's many different things I can use it for. So I was excited to pick this up and to start my little collection of photograph stuff. So very excited about that. So the next thing I picked up today is also something from Goodwill. It was $2.99, and I saw it on the shelf and I absolutely fell in love with it right away. It is just a simple bowl, but look at the detailing on it. I think it is so cool. And this looks rather old to me. It doesn't have any markings on the bottom at all. It just has the tag on the bottom. But it seems very, classic, farmhousey. It's just got that look to me. So, of course, I had to pick this up, right away. And I don't know. It would be kind of cute to put, a little candle in it. I don't know. Or a little plant in it, something like that. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to use it for, but I'm sure that I will definitely be using it because I just love it. I mean, it's silly to love a white little bowl like this so much, but I really do. I think it is so cool. So I was super excited to find this. I looked high and low on those shelves to see if there were any others that matched it, but there wasn't, which was kind of a bummer, but I don't know. Just something about this little bowl just really drew me in, and just the detailing on the side is very cool. So loving that as well. So that was my little haul for this past week. Like I said, it was going to be a short and sweet video today. So I would love to know down in the comments what you found this past week when you were out and about thrifting in your neck of the woods. And of course, if you didn't get to the thrift store, which I know is sad times, I would love to know what you guys think is your favorite of my haul this week. So let me know down in the comments. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet subscribed. And I will see you guys again next week for another Thrift Store Thursday. Bye now.